Hello there, my name's Annette with Sunbeam Fabric Art and welcome to my channel. Let's open this mystery box. This was an end of bolt mystery box, so all the cuts in this box are less than 1 yard. Wow, well, first opening this box, I just was impressed with the variety of colors. This is all Robert Kaufman fabric. I will leave additional details in my description. The first thing you'll see me doing is taking all the fabrics out of the box. I left them as they were folded and just stacked them up to the right. Later on, when I get them all out of the box, I will be measuring each piece to see how much total yardage I got from my mystery box. And at the end of the video, I will open these fabrics up a little bit more, so if you want to get a better look at them, you'll be able to. This next fabric is really special. It is a night sky star map type fabric and I just love it. What I'm doing on the right-hand side of my table, I'm trying to sort these into color families because that is the way I store my fabrics. And just to let you know, the feel of these fabrics, they are very high quality cotton fabrics. I love this purple Halloween fabric. Also in the box, if you look down in that second row, there's an orange fabric that's the exact same fabric in orange colorway. That is going to be used to make a couple of little Halloween treat bags for my grandkids. My granddaughter, who's almost 4, specifically asked me to make her a Halloween treat bag. I got 2 separate pieces of this blackboard, chalkboard, school type fabric. Very cool. This green fabric, boy, that would be really pretty as a Christmas project. There were a couple of those tire track fabrics, one in a blue colorway and one in a black colorway. And then there was an orange fabric also in this box that has motorcycles on it, so that would be an interesting little combination. This light green fabric has vegetables on it, and I think that would make a very cute market bag or tote bag for groceries. Look at this cute fish fabric. This next fabric is a little bit hard to see, but maybe at the end you'll get a better look at it. It's yarn and kittens. It is so cute. I can't wait to make something with it. There were a couple of these really light fabrics. This one is so adorable. It has little bunny rabbits on it, and combined with that other print that was similar, those would make a cute little baby quilt. I really love this brown fabric with the dandelions on it. That is just gorgeous. I might make something for myself with that one. And you can never go wrong with the cat in the hat fabric. This pink fabric has little pumpkins on it, very cute, and that orange that you can see there also has the pumpkins on it. But here is that motorcycle fabric I was talking about. Isn't that adorable? And wouldn't that look cute in a project with those tire track fabrics? Well, I have emptied out my mystery box, so it is no longer a mystery. I have loved every fabric. Next, you'll see me do a time lapse of measuring each fabric. The majority of these fabrics were either 18 inches by width of fabric or 27. Some were a little bit different, but most were either 18 or 27. I've got a little notebook sheet of paper that I filled up one side and started and pretty much filled up the second side. Well, that is the end of measuring. Now I'm going to go through all these fabrics a little bit more slowly, about 5 seconds each. If you want to pause the screen and write down what these fabrics are, you are more than welcome to do that or slow this down. This next one, a little bit hard to read, that selvage edge on a gray background. A lot of these Robert Kaufman fabrics are from a collection called Wishwell. These pumpkins are interesting. I think those will be a challenge for me. I'm not sure exactly how to use those, whether for a Halloween project or maybe just an autumn project, but there are 2 of those pumpkin fabrics. Here's that longer look I promised of the kitten fabric with the yarn. It's so cute. I opened it up quite wide so you could really get a look at it. This one, the design number is cut off a little bit, so that's the best I could do. I love this scoreboard fabric. I mentioned that green floral print that also came in my box in a blue colorway, just gorgeous. This next print I think will pair nicely with that brown dandelion fabric. This box had quite a few green fabrics, which I am excited about. I got a book from the library that's all about the color green, and there was a cute log cabin quilt in that book that I thought I might try to replicate with greens. And I've got such a variety here, I think it will be gorgeous. Here is the complete list of all the fabrics and how many inches long my pieces are. I'll leave that in the description as well. The total yardage, how much this mystery box cost me. It was on sale. And I'm keeping these on an open shelf so I can keep an eye on them. I have some ideas of what to do with them, and I can't wait to get started. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you back again real soon.